Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a really cool trick on how to motion track in CapCut and make the camera follow you. This technique will add a dynamic touch to your videos, and it's really simple to do. So let's get started. First thing first, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once open, then tap on New Project. After that, now, import the video that you want to motion track into CapCut. Select the video from your gallery and tap Add to import it into the timeline. The next step is to create a tracking point. To do this, tap on Text at the bottom of the screen, then tap Add Text. In the text box, just enter a full stop or punctuation mark. This will serve as our tracking point. Now, let's make the tracking point visible. Tap on Style and change the color of the punctuation mark to something bright and noticeable, like red. Increase the size of the dot so it stands out on the screen. Make sure you position the dot right in the center of the screen. This will help with accurate motion tracking. Drag the edge of the text layer to extend it to the full length of your video. This ensures that the tracking point stays on the screen for the entire duration of your video. Now, select the video layer that you want to motion track. Tap on the little keyframe button located at the bottom of the screen. This will activate the keyframing feature. Slide the timeline a little bit to move forward in your video. Adjust the video position or zoom level to make sure that the object you want to track is always aligned with the red dot. You don't need to manually add keyframes each time. CapCut will automatically add keyframes as you move the object to follow the red dot. Continue to adjust the video position and zoom level throughout the timeline to keep the object in the red dot. You can add as many keyframes as needed to ensure smooth motion tracking. The key is to make sure that the object stays within the red dot at all times. Once you're satisfied with the motion tracking, it's time to remove the tracking point. Tap on the text layer with the red dot and delete it. This will leave you with a perfectly motion-tracked video without the tracking point visible. Finally, export your video by tapping on the export icon at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then tap Export to save the video to your device. And there you have it. Your video is now motion-tracked with the camera following the object smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Also, let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more dynamic and engaging videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.